Domino's Pizza, the American pizza chain, announced in 2021 that it would be shutting down its operation in Italy and exiting the country completely. There are several reasons why the companies made this decision. Firstly, the Italian pizza market is highly competitive, with a large number of small, independent pizzerias that have the strong ties to the local communities. These local businesses often have long-standing reputation for producing high-quality, authentic Italian pizza, which can be difficult for larger international chains like Domino's to compete with. Secondly, Domino's had struggled to gain a foothold in the Italy since it first entered the market in 2015. The company was unable to attract a significant customer base and its sales in Italy remained low compared to other markets. This may have been due to a number of factors including differences in taste, preference and cultural attitude towards food. Thirdly, the COVID-19 pandemic had a major impact on the restaurant industry in Italy as it did around the world. Many businesses, including pizzerias, were forced to close their doors for a long period of time, and those that remained open had to adapt to new safety protocol and social distancing measures. It's possible that Domino's saw this as an opportunity to cut its losses and exit the Italian market. Finally, it's worth noting that Domino's has been focusing on expanding its business in other parts of the world, particularly in Asia and the Middle East, where it has seen significant growth in recent years. But exiting Italy, the company may be able to redirect its resources and investment towards these more promising markets. In conclusion, the decision by Domino's to shut down its operation in Italy and exit the country completely was likely influenced by a combination of factors, including the highly competitive Italian pizza market, the company's struggle to gain footfall in the country, the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the restaurant industry, and a shift in focus towards other markets. Domino's Pizza, the American